Okay, so I just read about this tool called escrcpy that lets you control your Android device from your computer. It's pretty wild.
Wait, really? How does that even work? I mean, controlling a smartphone from a PC sounds super convenient.
Right? It uses screen mirroring technology, so you can see your phone's display on your computer. Think of it like casting a movie but interactive.
That's such a neat analogy. But I wonder, how responsive is it? Is there any lag when you control your phone?
Good point, it claims to have low latency, which is a big deal for real-time control. But I'd be curious to see how it performs during intense tasks.
Totally, I imagine games could be tricky. I mean, if it's not perfectly in sync, that could ruin the experience.
Exactly, and one of its features is voice commands powered by AutoGLM, which sounds impressive. Just imagine talking to your device.
Wow, that could really change the game for multitasking. But does that mean it can misunderstand commands?
Yeah, that's a possibility. I mean, AI isn't perfect. You might end up opening a random app instead of what you wanted.
Right? Like asking for music and getting a calculator. It's a cool feature, but I'd still prefer manual control for precision.
Totally, and speaking of control, escrcpy allows you to manage multiple devices simultaneously. That's a game changer for developers.
That's fascinating, but I wonder how easy it is to switch between devices. Does it require a lot of setup?
From what I gather, it's designed for efficiency, so switching should be pretty straightforward. Still, I'd want to test it out myself.
I hear you, and what about its automation features? How does that tie into everything?
Great question. It's like having a personal assistant for your devices. You can set up workflows to execute tasks automatically.
That's actually pretty cool. But do you think it could lead to over-reliance on automation, like forgetting how to do tasks manually?
Definitely a concern. It's like using GPS and forgetting how to read a map. Balance is key, right?
Exactly. I mean, technology should enhance our skills, not replace them outright. It's a fine line.
Right, and escrcpy also supports wireless connections. Just imagine controlling your phone without cords everywhere.
That sounds so freeing, but I can't help but think about security. Is a wireless connection safe?
Another valid concern, they use reverse tethering, which is supposed to keep things secure, but there's always some risk.
True, it's like that trade-off between convenience and safety. We have to weigh the pros and cons.
Exactly, but what's fascinating is how open source it is. It's community-driven, so anyone can contribute.
That's awesome. It's like a collaborative project where improvements come from users, real experiences.
Right, and they acknowledge contributions from other projects, which shows a nice spirit of collaboration.
I love that. It's kind of a tech community coming together. But does that mean updates are irregular?
Yeah, they mention that support is limited. It might mean slower updates, but it could also foster innovation.
I see what you mean. Sometimes less frequent updates can mean more thoughtful development.
Exactly, and it's powered by some pretty cool tech like Electron and Vue. Imagine the possibilities.
That's interesting. But I wonder if integration challenges could arise due to using multiple frameworks.
Totally, it can be a double-edged sword. More frameworks can mean more potential issues.
Right? It's like the more tools in your toolbox, the harder it is to keep everything organized.
Exactly, so I guess the takeaway is that while escrcpy offers great features, it's not without its complexities.
Yes, it seems like a powerful tool, but users should approach it with awareness of its limitations.
For sure, it opens up exciting possibilities for controlling devices, but we need to stay critical.
Absolutely. It's all about finding that balance between innovation and practical usability.
Right, and I can't help but wonder what the future holds for tools like this. Will they become even smarter?
That's the million-dollar question. If they can improve without compromising usability, that would be ideal.
Exactly, so I guess the conversation around escrcpy leaves us pondering what tech will do next.